Hello. Today I'm going to show how you can show all the links and everything on your sitemap. So I had a sitemap in Search Console where I was not seeing all the all the products I have. I had 50 plus products, but on the Search Console it was showing me only 12. And same goes to product tags and product categories. It was not updated on the Search Console. It looked like the Search console was not updated for quite a long time after I added I have the product categories and everything. And so this is I want to discuss today, as I couldn't find any specific solution for this problem, and when I solved I thought of sharing the knowledge. uh, so it was looking like this. I had many product tags, but it was only showing 37 and everything. In total, sitemap was not showing all the product tags categories. So this is very important for SEO. If you you need everything to be shown on the sitemap that you want to be crawled by Google search engine and in Bing and everything. If Google doesn't find the thing in such a sitemap, it is your site is on very risky mode, because you want all your links and everything to be indexed in Google and Bing. Uh, so um, so I was very shocked to see that many things are missing in the searches sitemap. I did lots of plugin deactivation and everything, but couldn't find what was the problem. Later, from my experience, I understood that whenever every settings are there, but on some pages it is not reflecting the changes. It must be the cache plugin. It must be the cache plugin I have. So I started to empty all the cache I have from the site. So I was using Ezoic lib. I cleared all the URL. I cleared all the URL and the cache of the site, and I was using W3 cache plugin, which I also cleared cache and Cloudways cache, everything. I cleared all the cache and everything, and I found out that that the rank math sitemap was the problem. The sitemap itself was not updating, so Google was not taking the updated sitemap because its rank math was not showing the proper sitemap with all the links. So after clearing the cache, and I went back to the sitemap, it was showing then it was showing all the products and everything. So from my part and the website, it was all showing done. And then I deleted the sitemap in the Google console, and re-indexed my sitemap again on the Google console. And after a few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes, I can see that Google crawled my sitemap with everything, and everything was in place, and I was relieved. So it was the caching that was creating the problem and not updating the sitemap as it should be. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.